Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Techie King. How often do you find yourself grappling with inventory management issues in your warehouse? It's a common struggle, isn't it? You're faced with storage configurations that don't quite hit the mark, transport mechanisms that are more snail-paced than swift, and inventory data that seems to have taken a creative license with the truth. Then there's the occasional horror of damaged or missing inventory. And let's not forget the mini marathon you run each day, traveling between operations. And just when you think you've got it all under control, along come installation and maintenance procedures that would give a puzzle enthusiast a run for their money. Every operation is unique, with its own set of challenges and needs. So, isn't it high time for a solution that fits like a glove, custom-made to resolve your specific woes? But what if we told you there's an all-in-one solution to these problems? Meet the Online Inventory Management System, a game-changer for warehouse operations. This isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in how you manage your warehouse. Picture this. You're maximizing your space with various storage configurations and transport mechanisms, all designed to increase throughput and efficiency. You're not just arranging items on a shelf, you're strategically placing them in high-density storage to make the most of your available footprint and vertical space. But it's not just about where you put your items, it's about knowing what you have and where it is at all times. With the Online Inventory Management System, you're privy to accurate, real-time inventory data, eliminating the need for time-consuming and error-prone physical inspections. Imagine a world where damaged or missing inventory is a thing of the past. With this system, you'll have secure storage and improved picking processes that keep your items safe and accounted for. But what about getting from one operation to another? With the Online Inventory Management System, travel time is reduced, improving your order cycle time and overall efficiency. And the best part? This system isn't a one-size-fits-all. It offers turnkey or custom solutions, meaning it's the right fit for your operation. It's easy to install and maintain, can accommodate challenging environments, and can integrate into larger systems to streamline your operations and improve workspace ergonomics. With the Online Inventory Management System, you can say goodbye to your inventory management woes. To recap, here are the key points we've covered today. The Online Inventory Management System increases efficiency and maximizes space with high-density storage. It provides accurate, real-time inventory data, reducing the need for physical inspections. Secure storage and improved picking processes eliminate damaged or missing inventory. It facilitates reduced travel between operations and offers both turnkey and custom solutions. Plus, it's easy to install and maintain. It can even integrate into larger systems for streamlining operations. Transform your warehouse operations today with the Online Inventory Management System. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, The Techie King, like, share.